Okay, so here's the latest and greatest 3D printed trumpet, and this manifold part is printed with a resin printer, so it's a little different than the rest of it, but the rest of it is all filament 3D printed. But yeah, it's kind of neat because I'm using it clear and you can actually see through it. I guess you could put LEDs and something inside of it. That would be kind of neat. But to make it work, I had to put Vaseline on the valves, which makes them go slowly, but at least it makes them move. So that's what I did. Let's see if we can play. Let's play a few songs. Okay, I missed a few notes there. That's my fault. But I'm trying to look out of the side and can't really see very well. You gotta play the right notes. I don't know if you heard the screw came out, but I actually broke part of it, so that's why they're. So whatever, I gotta fix that probably. You see the notes kind of going slowly. And last one here, you can see I can't play the upper G very well. That's kind of high for me, so whatever. Yeah, there again, that came out, made the note go higher, the spring. Oh well. Anyway, yeah, you got to be able to read the music right. Missed a few notes because that's my reading, but you can actually hear it. Sounds kind of trumpety like, very much more than any of the others. I think this is kind of sounding good. That's with the the real mouthpiece. Here's with the 3D printed mouthpiece, you kind of get a difference. It's a little more mellow. It's kind of like a flugelhorn or something. But anyway, this 3D printed mouthpiece sounds okay too. So it's okay. I like the real mouthpiece better, but anyway, it's good. The 3D printed mouthpiece is sounding better than it was. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Bye.